shower head.
Oh, okay.
Pouring it from like, I guess low pressure or whatever, because they start paying water bills.
Right, yeah. All right, yeah.
So that's when it started happening when I cleaned up it sometimes. So I don't know that I think it's a...
So the main issue is just like a noise, or is it?
It's a rumble in the water.
So the water sputters too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I don't know. It just started being real weird when they changed that up.
Okay. Have you noticed whether it happens more often when you're using the shower versus the tub?
Oh, it's the shower.
It's the shower mainly? Okay.
Yeah, we mainly use the shower.
Okay.
So, I don't know, but yeah, I think it's more of the head reason. Yeah,
that's how they behave whenever people are trying to.
That's exactly how it's supposed to be. I saw these.
Oh, is that it? There we go. So when it's on cold,
I wonder if it's in the shower head. It almost sounds like the sound is coming from right there, though. It doesn't sound like it's like coming from out of the wall.
it might be. You could take the head off. Really?
Oh, dude, the problem is this right here. Put your finger in there. Don't push it. Just go in slow. Put your finger in there. That's what's making the noise right there. That's why it's sputtering too.
Is it the shower head broke?
The washer for your shower head got pushed up in that pipe, and it's rubber. So as that water's going through there, that washer's in there flapping, while the rubber. That's what's making that squeaking noise too. Is that rubber washer inside?
I hate that shower head anyway.
Flat head or something. Pull it out of there.
Yeah, I got a little Allen wrench.
I'm
Yeah,
not
it's
breaking my
like
nails.
right there.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Not the nails.
That's why it's sputtering. Yeah, grab some. Think.
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah. Where that other washer came from?
I do like good, not bad. I just don't want one. But yeah, you do them.
Oh my gosh, you know, with the separation inside.
Robert, go. That ain't it. You want to be out.
I knew that sound was coming from up there though. I'm like, it don't sound like it's coming from there.